Can you hear them? They are honking. So many of them on the water. And I can't go closer because it's a private property on the right side. Look how many there are. A gazillion, they say. Millions. No, there's a couple of hundreds on the water. Wow, wow, wow. I don't have to say anything. They are making all the sound. Soon, they're all gonna fly. So I think I'm going back where I started, 3K back, and hopefully, on my way back, I'll catch them flying. Yes, this is the Glenmore Reservoir. Such a nice place. Look at them. I can sit here for hours and enjoy them. Wow, can't believe I took my hood off my hat because I was sweating because it's so nice. Wow, 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 wow. Neat. What a noisy bunch. They sure can create a symphony, those guys. The honking, honk, 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 honk symphony. Wow, look at the left, what we see now. So many. But my friend, better start to head back because in about half an hour, sunset, and it is gonna be time for them to fly towards the sun, and I want to catch them. Thank you for coming, Arone.